Hey friends, this is Atif for Pure Val and welcome to the update on XVG. On a 7-day time frame chart, you can see that the price of XVG is once again bound from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And now it is very close to hit this long-term resistance line, a very strong resistance line. That starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. You can see that for the past several weeks or months, it is getting rejected by this resistance line. Before that, it had been acting as a resistance line here, and support line here. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that first we broke out this wedge, and we had a very massive pump, by the way, from this low to this high. So far, the price and of XVG has rallied more than 1,400%. And during this move, it has also formed this broadening rising wedge pattern as well. Here we had a fake out from this wedge. The price and re-entered this broadening rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared on 9th of October 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 33% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared on 9th of October 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish Garley move that XVG completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. It binds on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. By the way, after the completion of the final leg, the price on was slightly pumped. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line. And after some price correction, we can buy it from the buying zone. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as expected, after some price correction, the price and re-entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal and the price and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost a more than 33% pump. Before that, we got almost 29% pump in the same week of in the same month of October 2025 on 6th of October. That was a bullish AB equal to CD move that XVG completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up and read the sell target line here. It will slightly move down. However, it covered back and read the sell target line here and here as well. And if you would like to catch each of the pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of XVG. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it is moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern forming higher highs and higher lows. You can see that here in the month of December 2024, it formed another higher than previous high, but could not hit the resistance of it due to this long-term resistance line. That's not from 1.7 goes to 2.1 cents. By the way, recently, once again, it is bound from the support, and this time, if the price then hits the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, possibly at 6 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern will be, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.